Hello, creators. Welcome back to BlackSattai AI channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing tool designed with you in mind, Descript. If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or educator looking to cut down on edit time, this video is for you. Descript is a powerful AI tool that transforms how we edit audio and video content. Imagine editing your video by simply changing the text. Yes, it's that easy. Let me walk you through how Descript stands out in the crowded field of editing software. First up is the revolutionary overdub feature. With overdub, you can correct or enhance your audio by typing text. The AI matches your voice almost perfectly. Next, Descript offers automatic filler word removal, which is a lifesaver for all of us who tend to say and a bit too much. This tool also generates automatic captions, making your content more accessible. And if you're into creating tutorials or product walkthroughs, the screen recording feature is a major plus. Descript is ideal for creators. While it may not offer the depth of cinematic editing software, it shines in accessibility and ease of use, perfect for quick turnaround projects where speaking takes priority over complex editing. In terms of pros, Descript is incredibly intuitive, fast, and offers an innovative approach to editing. However, for those looking for advanced color correction or cinematic features, it might fall short. So, here's the verdict. If you speak better than you edit, Descript is the tool for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and please subscribe for more insights about AI tools that make your creative process seamless. See you in the next video.